So we've got a bit of a problem with our dryer vent. It keeps dumping water the whole length here. He's doing exploratory surgery on it to see where the problem is. We're thinking it's at this end.
For the amount of lint that's right there, I'm thinking the elbow is slightly disconnected. There's a lot of lint in there. So we're going to try and open that wall up a little bit and see.
So he's going to try and get off that top metal strip so that he can open up the top of this, I guess chamber is what we'll call it. What it is the laundry room's over here, and the dryer vent comes out of the laundry room into this run right here and out the side of the house. So he's going to open that up and see what we can see. Once we figure out what's going on in there and repair it, we will replace those strips. That strip was totally rusted and rotted anyway. Now we'll try and get the drywall off without ruining it, but if it gets ruined, we'll just replace that as well. This house is 35 years old. Looks like it's been leaking for quite a while. It just got to the point that when we were in the garage, I could smell the dryer. You know, the vent smell from the dryer, I could smell it in the garage. So we started investigating where that was coming from, and this is what we found.
Yeah.
So we're going to open up the front of it instead of the top. The top has got a board. I don't know if you can see the brown wood there, but it's got a board on top of it. So we're going to go down through the side of it instead. That one might still be usable.
No.
No? That's trash too.
That's trash too.
It can't be that expensive. We'll just get
Oh, no, that stuff's
new
cheap.
ones for the whole thing.
If I could buy more drywall, I'd just rip the drywall apart.
Right. Well, you can't.
I can, but I don't have no way to get a sheet home.
He missaid that. You can buy drywall. It's just we don't need that much drywall. We need, 3 feet by 2 feet.
They sell it in 8-foot sheets,
And we don't need or want that.
and I have no way to get an 8-foot sheet home. Somebody went nuts with a staple gun.
Yes, well, I'm sure it was a home builder. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. We've got the pipe right here in the middle is split. Hopefully you can see it. Try and get you closer. There you go. There's where it's split. We're gonna look down the line though, because it might be split down that way too. So we're gonna take the camera and take another look now that this is opened. So he's not gonna use the camera. He's gonna get down there and look himself. He doesn't see any other breaches, but we're going to check it once we repair it. He's going to clean out the crevice there first. Get all the extra lint out of that box, and then we will take our ducting tape and reseal the duct there. Looks like you guys got a good shot of his bad knee right now. That one just had surgery 3 weeks ago today, I think.
Something like that.
3 weeks ago Wednesday, I believe. which is why he's not kneeling on it. That's about as bent as it can get, and that's fine. It's okay for right now. Mobility is getting a little better. It's just taking a while. Okay, so he's got it all taped up. Now he's going to block the flapper door on the end of the line, and I'm going to go turn on the dryer and see if we get any more debris coming through this cavity. If there is, then we've got another hole in there. So stand by.
Okay, I think we're good. Nothing's coming from down there.
Okay, so open up the flapper.
So we'll do is see what our volume is out here.
Let's see what it's like. Is it good out there?
You can hear it more now. Before it wasn't, you couldn't hear it.
Yeah. Let me get you guys a closer look to what he did. So this is the area that we had the breach in that he has used the ducting tape to tape it back shut. And it looks good. We've got good flow outside, so I think we're good now.
I don't know if I'll be able to get all the way down there or not.
So these are actually the brushes to clean your vents. But we're going to stick it down there and see if it drags down any more lint.
I don't think it's going to go down there.
So as you see, we got a little bit of lint out from the run there, but not a big thing. Most of it was over here at this end where the crack in the pipe was. So now we get to rebuild. So he's going to put it back together with screws instead of nails, and probably in the next few months we're going to disassemble the whole thing and put it together with wood so that it can be accessed anytime we need to do repairs to it, because obviously this could be a potential problem in the future. So we're going to make it easy access for any future problems.
got a screw too.
Maybe try the other side. Oh, neither side, huh? There it is in all its glory. It's all fixed up, pipes put back together, drywall's repaired. Our plan is eventually to take the drywall out and turn it into a wooden box that we can gain access to whenever we have problems with the dryer vent. But that'll be a project at a later date. At this point, at least, the problem we had is repaired.